If Chrome is crashing with an out-of-memory error, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a few fast ways to fix it and get your browser running smoothly again. This is especially helpful if Chrome is freezing, tabs are slowing down, pages are failing to load, or you keep seeing memory-related errors while browsing. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is close any heavy background tabs or processes inside Chrome. A lot of the time, the problem is not Chrome itself, but too many tabs, extensions, or background tasks eating up your RAM. On Windows, press Shift and Escape together to open Chrome's built-in Task Manager. If that does not open, you can also go to the Chrome menu and search for Task Manager there. Once it opens, look at the memory footprint column and click it to sort everything by the most memory being used. Now you can clearly see which tabs or extensions are taking up the most resources. Select anything you do not need right now and then click End Process. This immediately frees up memory and can stop the browser from crashing. Next, let's adjust Chrome's memory saver mode. Chrome has a built-in performance feature that puts inactive tabs to sleep, so your active tab can use more system memory. To turn this on, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then Open Settings. On the left-hand side, click Performance. Here, make sure Memory Saver is toggled on. If you see an option to control how aggressively Chrome saves memory, set it to maximum. This tells Chrome to free up RAM more aggressively before tabs start to slow down or crash. If you usually keep a lot of tabs open, this setting can make a big difference. Now let's clear out any corrupted cache data that could be causing the issue. Sometimes a website gets stuck in a loop, loads broken scripts, or stores bad temporary files that keep draining memory in the background. To fix that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to All Time. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. Once it finishes, reload your tabs and test Chrome again. This step often helps when one website is causing the out-of-memory error repeatedly. The last fix is to make sure you are using the 64-bit version of Chrome. If your system is somehow running the older 32-bit version, Chrome can hit memory limits much faster, and that can lead to out-of-memory crashes. To check this, click the three dots again, hover over Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Look at the version information on that page. You want to make sure it explicitly says 64-bit. If it says 32-bit, that means you're using the older version and you should download and install the 64-bit version instead. That one change alone can make Chrome much more stable, especially on modern computers with more RAM. Chrome. These simple steps solve a lot of out-of-memory problems without needing advanced troubleshooting. Wow. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.